Got a 2014 Honda Accord 2.4, and today we're going to replace the starter. And first thing is to remove the ground cable. We're gonna use a number 10 millimeter socket to remove the nut from the ground cable. So as you can see, we need to remove this clip. Uh, so just lift that part right there and remove it. And then we have to remove the electrical connector. Is this one right here. Just push down and just pull it. It's really easy to remove that connector. Okay, and now we're gonna remove this cable right here. We're gonna remove the cover. We're gonna put it on the side. Just take your time to remove that cover. It's really slippery, so uh, just take your time to remove that cover. Okay, so we're gonna use this tool right here to put the cover on the side. So okay. So now it's on the side. Okay, so we're gonna use a number 12 millimeter to remove the starter nut. It's a number 12. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the nut to remove the cable. So I use a long socket with a swivel and my small 1/4 wrench. So now we need to remove the nut. Alright, so here it is. So we remove the cable, we put it on the side, and now we need to remove this clip right here that is holding the electrical connector. We need to remove that green clip right there. I'm gonna use this tool to remove that clip. Alright, so just put everything, the wires put on the side, and now we're going to remove the number 14 bolts. We got two. It's this one, and the other one is right there. You can see it. It's a long bolt right there. So we're gonna use a number 14 millimeter. Okay. So remove the bolt on the top first, and then remove the one is on the bottom. It's easier to remove the bolt on the top. right, so now we will remove this one right here, 14 millimeter. Alright, so now we got the second bolt out. So now we're going to remove the starter. Alright, so we got the new one here. This is the port number. It's Ultima from O'Reilly. Just make sure all the connectors are the same. We're gonna put this cover right there and make sure everything looks the same. So it's now time to put it back in. So we're gonna install the bottom bolt first, the 14, and then we're gonna reinstall the one on the top. If you do the one on the top, it's gonna be really hard to do it. It's better to do the bottom bolt first. Don't torque it down, just let it loose a little bit. So as you can see, I'm installing this bolt right here, and it's going to be much easier just to install this bolt. On the torque, this says you can torque that at 29 foot-pounds. So just do 29 foot-pounds. Alrighty, so now we're going to torque it down. Alright guys, so now we're gonna just put everything back together. We're gonna just reinstall the positive cable to the starter. Just take your time. If you can remove the cover from that cable, it's easier to reinstall the number 12 nut. And it took me around like 10 minutes to put the nut back. So I recommend you guys to remove the cover. It's gonna be much easier to put the nut and torque it down. program says you need to torque this down at 10 newton meters or 9 foot-pounds, but just be careful, do not torque it down really hard because you can break the solenoid. So just be careful on that. So now we're gonna fix the cover. Alright, so we reconnect this connector here and the clip, the green clip, we're gonna put on the hole right there. So basically that's it, guys. So now we're going to make sure that everything is on place, everything is connected, and now we're going to reconnect the ground cable. Okay. We're gonna use a number 10 millimeter to break it down. We wanna make sure the positive cable is good. So we just cover it and make sure it's not loose.
So it's time to the cord. Alright.
So now we're going to start the car. We're gonna do it 3 times to make sure the starter is good. Okay. Alright, so it looks good. And there you go. So as you can see, also we got the radio code. There is we need to get the code. Sometimes there is inside the book, but in this case in this glove compartment there is a code right there. So you just put the code in and you got radio again. Alright, guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you to fix your own starter, and I'll see you next time.